Hello guys, this is a KDF channel video. Today I have a short video for you. This is my personal 1996 Toyota Tacoma single cab. This one has the 2.4 engine. I think it's 2.4 or 2.7, I'm not sure. So the problem with this one is that I used some gas I had laying around my house, but I didn't know that gas was mixed with water. So the problem is I had water and gas mixing on my tank, and my truck didn't want to start at all. So what I did is I bought this product I saw online, and it says water remover, but it looks like this only works for a small amount of water. Well, I think I had like maybe at least like 3 gallons of water on my tank. So this is not gonna work for a lot of water in your tank. So I didn't want it to remove the tank because it's a tedious job, and all the hoses, I'm pretty sure, for this old are cracked and old, so I didn't want to mess with it. What I did is I found out that if you remove let me see right here, this bolt right here is holding it's like a bracket holding the hose where the gas goes in. Like this, you open it, you have the hose that goes directly to the tank. So that bracket over there, and then here I found out that there's a plate with this is 8mm bolts. They're like 8. So you remove those bolts, and then you have you can't remove the whole thing because it's like bent inside the tube, but it gives a space, and then you can use a hose like this. Try to make the hose straight, because if the hose has a lot of flexibility, then you won't be able to remove the gas. So I put this piece of wire on the hose. It went directly to the bottom of the tank, and I removed all the water and the gas. I put new gas on it, and now my truck is like brand new. So 2 advices: never use gas from a container that you don't know if it's only gas or you don't know where it's been sitting. And advice number 2 is, if you don't want to remove the tank, just do what I did. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like it, and wait for the next one. Thank you.